Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most exclusive and opulent luxury villas in the world. An $80 million ultra-luxury mansion in the heart of Dubai that redefines extravagance. This isn't just a house, it's a statement. From solid gold accents to bespoke black interiors and panoramic skyline views, every inch of this property screams luxury. So buckle up because you're about to step inside a world most people only dream about. As we approach the villa, you instantly notice the dramatic architecture, striking geometric lines, towering facades, and a curated blend of gold and black finishes that set the tone for what's inside. The driveway sweeps up to an impressive motor court with space for double-digit supercars, flanked by reflective black stone and custom lighting that highlights every curve and edge. Through the massive pivot doors, engineered to feel more like the entrance to a private palace than a home, you're welcomed into a grand foyer bathed in natural light. The scale here is breathtaking. Soaring ceilings, polished black marble floors, and sculptural lighting fixtures that sparkle like priceless art. Step into the main living area, the centerpiece of this villa. This space blends luxury with bold design. Deep ebony floors contrast against gold inlays, and floor-to-ceiling windows frame panoramic views of the Dubai skyline. Every surface has been curated, from the oversized designer furniture to custom built-ins that integrate state-of-the-art entertainment systems and hidden lighting accents that transform the mood at the touch of a button. This isn't just comfortable, it's cinematic. Moving into the heart of the home, the chef's kitchen. It's a masterpiece of design and functionality, with book-matched marble countertops, gold hardware, and premium European appliances built seamlessly into the cabinetry. There's a massive island perfect for hosting intimate gatherings, and high-end features like integrated coffee systems and tech-enabled appliances that make everyday living feel effortless. Just adjacent is the entertainment lounge, a space designed for both comfort and show. Plush seating, custom lighting, and smart controls mean this room can switch from cozy movie night to vibrant party zone in seconds. This villa doesn't just impress, it pampers. The private gym is fitted with top-tier equipment, bespoke finishes, and custom leather-tiled flooring, making wellness feel like a luxury experience. Then there's the dedicated cinema room, walls lined in acoustically treated panels, reclining seats, and a sound system that rivals the best commercial theaters. This is where movie nights leave the realm of ordinary. Upstairs, the private wings are just as spectacular. Each bedroom suite features its own distinct design, panoramic skyline views, and bespoke storage solutions. But the master suite is on another level. A sanctuary of calm and elegance. It opens to stunning views, features sophisticated lighting, and offers spa-inspired amenities, from a walk-in shower with mood lighting to a freestanding tub sculpted like art. There's also a private dressing lounge, custom cabinetry, and hidden tech that makes daily routines feel indulgent and effortless. Let's step outside. The outdoor spaces are every bit as refined as the interiors. Multiple lounge areas, a black mosaic pool with gold trim, and beautifully landscaped terraces create several unique vantage points to enjoy both sunrise and sunset over the Dubai skyline. This is alfresco living elevated, perfect for big gatherings or peaceful mornings with a cup of coffee and a jaw-dropping view. And that wraps up our tour inside this incredible $80 million gold and black villa in Dubai, a property that takes luxury living to breathtaking heights. If you enjoyed the tour, smash that like button, subscribe for more epic mansion tours from around the world, and let us know in the comments which room was your favorite. Until next time, stay inspired.